awardee in arts and Adunju applauding participants in Karbi Artist Honor. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a huge round of applause for the lady, the Iron Lady of Karbi Anwar. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. We have a token of love with a flower bouquet and a Karbi polo.
What come to me? Mijikane jumma jum, jumma 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 jum, jumma 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 jum, jumma 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 jum. Pepe pepe piano, pepe pepe piano, pepe pepe piano. Ini cuma kamu masih ini music day masih dia sapo. La sapo tak ini kan masih sapo film. Lasi jorori oke, ini bangso niliphan karcho ko ningarong lo nili alo kaduga be phanta chorori oke pini ason niliphan nituma asar kathar sangsar lakan dak kacetong piti ketinga tum ang sita be pini kelaman diwo ni dagalipot laso putha ningarong piglo lasi kaduga be phanta ana mahir jumi ben nilihin lampe kuasi irichan kardo.
Bini zilitum dak langkung habe Karbi artist form made sort tiek pen kaf pusipulo ladak wall music day. Actually nilitum labang 21st June si wall music day ke bertia dang kapati wall pisita nilitum sapok sitonte jani nilitum 21st June ne dasi pini 12 July ladak langkung habe auditorium long putot nilitum hotponno sila bangso ating kan program chunpon pamela makan labangso men ilitum objective mata kemang dalalo so music day ani ilitum long chatang long mate ilitum bang penan music ahin lunahin penan tributes mate contribution do mate kalitang joram tiso Daniel inti Mongol Singkro Lasonta thak penan tolang dile amen taram edumelo la pen local artist tumen badet la bulion along kilundon kisu kumar lata mangkiskar mama rafi lasonta thak dolang la se anutin pangeli de alun aporalam dadu la se anutin alun de bulion edum tai wapis tame alang litum la Indian music matela itum local Karbi music along dengan contributions ke dia jadi si bini nilitum labang so music dia bang tabang pondo lapen non owe kimia tumbang ke non joram tu so ban son Mongol Singkro tuman ataupun cini ni data nasi non nilitum Indian idol alang damo ma sedame voice of India alang damo ada competitors tuman teknologi aman alun si palun lentiji aku palun si son tak si non nilitum la alang nilitum ajoine si pinilitum Karbi alum nanto mosutame tenan litum Karbi lamar jan puno ba lunhin puno tenan litum chathang puno la so posi pini la so awareness kipido nilitum jalan so se litum abana tum pansitame litum chitina nai la so pen la pen litum isia platform do nai la artist lote la dake ene manake singer da tu hai po ba manake ichip ke thing guitarist ba tablis ba sondane ke sondatan kapne ke mane ke par jana ke ba mane ke craft ai lai hin kala ta ke pangrong pon ka basi program me lo non son pon pamela chorolo na litum pa ladak mangke nong ek la sonare boy pichita la son sila bangke tributes mana competition pun sondali la sila tak nong ipi la person dare dan nilitum la so program occasional ne nilitum la non art and craft hin itu sampai Sabina Teronpi alang di national international along artist lo atum ya divide na gelela la si alang di pan nilitum mahinta balance se encouragement nilitum enten is citation bang nilitum pasi pon la benso data aro dolang la ilitum deputy commissioner nerola panchopi nang di dang pini por ka bejen ni benang chetong tun alang di pandan litum first women among the Karbi city man alang di panda PJ lam do basic neko la kana ko san da litum honorable Dr. Tuliram Ronghang sir labangso rahmaso ni kache Teronpi alang di national international level long badminton hin penan medal sita me long dum long anong wan lo alang li panda ni tum citation PPJ kache segment do ba alang li tum pini or kadure jan ni penang chetong dum first of all I'd like to thanks give my heartiest kudos to all the media partner and all the media teams who have been approached to me in this program. So actually, the World Music Day is celebrated every year on 21st June. But you see, due to some unavoidable circumstances, we could not be able to hold on 21st due to some reason. So we have settled today, that is the 12th of July, here at Langkung Habe Auditorium Hall. So you see, the main objective of this Music Day is just to pay tributes to some of our legendary, especially to our legendary Karbi singers like Joy Raptiso, Daniel Inti, Mongol Synchro, and lots of others singers who have been contributed to Karbi musics and flame. At the same time, we'll be paying tributes to some of the legendary Bollywood singers like Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, Muhammad Rafi, and some more others. You see, today actually we have invited the Honorable Chief Executive Members of Karbi Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Nohan, but he just told me on phone that due to his health issue, he could not be able to attend this program. But anyway, we have, as he has issued us that in the next program I'll be there, and somehow we have managed to start the program. And on behalf of Dr. Tuliram sir, Sri Mongwe Rongpi, MSc of KAC, he has attended in our program.
So, how many singers are participating?
Actually, as per schedule, it's 27, but some of the singers could not attend due to some personal problems. But today, I think was around 35 singers has attended, and they will be performing, and some have already been performed.
So, regarding this World Music Day, already we have seen in the banner that tribute to legendary singers. So there is so many legendary singers, and we have very fortunate in Karbi that popularity, Kadom Teronpi, there are so many singers we have lost in the last few years. So what do you say?
Pukila is still there, she is still alive, but Kadom Teronpi, she has already been expired. So we'll be paying tributes to Kadom Teronpi also. So we have selected one artist for signing to sing her song. Pini desi platform lo la pini tum prang dan ile tum la hai program klembom la pen kilu na hin puna dance hin puna kekan na hin puna la pen la son tak ni ile tum la bang isi platform lo jela dak mani aning ke ha tum kilu na tum to ba sitame tuna tum artist forum dan sin ile tum our sati mo la pen la son si ko mane sung that ba artist among sitame mane ke litum ke plang o tum kali artist tum le maximum lasi hola tum banda mane so that unedet to de laso artist forum pen asabo we to wai move sita meni tum cherap cheto isi kenan so laso a platform pen tum lanso se tum kilun ketan isame tum rumpon longpo la pen national by international level on sita tum toy tum time. We have organized such programs some a couple of years back in the food club, like the same program. But this year we want to make a bit bigger, and we want to make the program a bit unique. So we are organizing here at Langkung Habe.